We are keeping all evidence against Simon Ekpa. Udele, the king of the game himself, says so. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Before we go touch inside the matter where we carry us come here today, I want you quickly go and subscribe to this channel immediately, and also turn your notification bell for quick update as it is hot. And if you know say you never follow our Facebook page, what you they wait for, may you handle quickly follow it and share this video, very important, where we are going to show you today. Una know Udele, whether they call the king of the game. He don't come outside though, can't say Simon Ekpa saying they gather the whole evidence against him and against the commander himself will be gentle. He said the evidence where he don't pack full for their head, he don't many. Oh my God, waiting talk for this video many. I want you to watch waiting Simon Ekpa say and waiting this guy can talk by himself will be the king of the game. Watch this video from beginning to end, may understand waiting they go on.
We have taken responsibility of neutralizing many Nigeria terrorist military. We call it Biafra Liberation Army. We neutralize them, we post them on social media, yet they are not acknowledging it. Ask yourself why. Are we hiding it? We are at war with them. We neutralize them when they come to kill us, we kill them, and we measure how many of them, and then we post the ammunition and the arms we recovered from these terrorists. We recovered the hillosses, we recovered machine guns, we post it. Now, have you seen the reporting that Biafra Army did this and did that? No, they still target gunmen. Have you seen anything like that? They are still targeting what? The army I am leading, taking responsibility of this particular security in Biafra land. I'm taking responsibility. I said Biafra Liberation Army neutralize Nigeria army, kill them who come to kill Biafra. We recovered ammunition, arms that are used to come to kill us. We recovered their vehicle. We posted it. Did you see them reporting? No. Did you see them write, Biafra Liberation? No. They still are writing gunmen. What is gunmen? We have a name. Our names are Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighters. And Biafra Navy, the Black Marine. Why are they not saying it? My people, you see. I don't know what to tell this Cheporo. Cheporo Simon. See, Simon, stop bragging. You are a nobody. Stop bragging. You are just using Nnamdi Kanu's platform to deceive all these fools. Now we give you the platform. On purpose, I used you to destroy your DOS. All that time when they visit you, some boat say he talk this one and talk that one. You say we no. There is a reason we were doing it that way, because it's still the same old Roman tactic of divide and conquer. If you notice, we pushed energy, strength towards your side and used you to discredit your DOS. And now you think you finish them and you are just on top of the mountain. Nothing can bring you down. Nobody can tell you anything. But I just want to tell you, you are doing all these things because government works at slow speed, a snail speed, if I may use that word. But you are that phrase. You know that eventually the snail will still get to its destination. I just want you to know that you are living on borrowed time. I'm happy you said this one yourself, and you said you are putting the videos out there. Keep it up. Slow clap for you, Simon Ekpa. Slow clap for you. Don't worry. Okay? Don't worry. It's coming, and it will come at you faster than you ever expect. it will come out. You all these atrocities wey una dey commit, you dey hide under Biafra. If they try to buy us, hide them and collect their weapons. Don't worry now. Shebi they collect weapons, they go soon collect your head. Now me they tell you, they go soon collect Ishigi, bringing problem to our people. You are not in Nigeria. Why don't you come back home instead of hiding inside your basement with your Ababin's wife, the woman will be say it be like when you turn Sokoto sack of beans like this. Ababin's is Sokoto Ibu no. When you that not be paper make you carry that kind of thing. No be paper make you carry that dump. Now dump they call her for free. I no get waiting their people use and do. You did there. The things where you and I'm born. You did there, they train them with the money where they thief from people. And they make life miserable for people down here. Simon, you and your people, gentle na your boy now. Gentle, no be your boy, no be the person where they lose work. And we don't see where he buy so many people. And mostly women. The army girl and the army couple, we hear your voice there. The other army girl will go Kigo, other girl will go Kigo go see her grandmother. We hear your voice there. Ohizu. If that or not tell Chairman, we hear your voice there. And so many other places that when we start investigating, we will still hear his voice. So we know exactly what you people are doing. Stop lying and trying to fool anyone with all this your Biafra shit because it's not working. Nobody is buying it. We are all awake, okay? So you see this one, don't worry, we'll keep this video for you for when you will start begging. Then you know that Nigeria is not a joke and it's not a zoo as you people think.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, I hear everything we talk for this particular video. No say for this channel, it get some things where we go bring, we go talk put. It get some where we go bring, we will still leave our audience, my followers, my good people, to say something about that. No be smart, you know. I want me you drop your own comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think where this guy talk for inside this video, and leave your own opinion. And me we do no be small thing. Me we quickly go look the moment where Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter and BLA the many will enter today as Simon Ekpa finish a conversion for inside Finland. Let's watch the video together. Okay. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, that thing at the moment where the Biafra Liberation Army, both resistance fighter enter inside Biafra land to come fight for their fatherland, as they talk for that video. No be small thing. You go see them with kala, with different groundnut as they carry and they enter. I beg, I want make you leave your own opinion concerning the two videos I don't show you here. And also not forget to share this video, very very important. May others know wetin dey go on for inside Southeast and for inside Biafra land, as well for inside Nigeria. Things are really going on, but we say we no know, we know they hear, we know they see. But now our channel is here to bring in it for you. May you they know wetin they go on for your own area. No be small thing. Okay, may you share the video and don't forget to give us a follow and subscribe to our channel. We will see you for the next update. Stay tuned. Thank you.